Hello everyone, welcome to Zycoo channel. In this video, I will use our new intercom EA series to show you how to set a video linkage. Video linkage means that the IP dispatch console and the surveillance camera can be associated, and the live video can be transmitted back to the IP dispatch console in real time to provide some detailed information. In the first step, you need to add the camera to the IP audio center. Log into the management IP address, choose Audio Devices on the left navigation bar. Click the Add button, select Type as a camera, and make a name. Then you can click Submit and Apply to save it. In the second step, you need to register the EI Vol.05 intercom to the center. Here I will omit the specific registration steps. In the third step, you need to associate the newly registered camera with the EI Vol.05 intercom. Find the intercom and click Edit. Add the camera to video terminal, then click Submit and Apply to save it. In the fourth step, you need to set up a phone to be called by the intercom. Choose the Advanced IO settings, fill in a press to talk phone number, and click Submit. After the setup is complete, we can start testing it. After pressing the call button on the EI intercom, it will initiate a call to the phone. And the system will automatically pull up the connected camera's image. You can see the image on the console to obtain the real-time screen. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send them to our email. See you next time.